Catrin from KISS, Keto It's Simple for Success. And as promised, you get to see me working out for one of the first times in years and years. I've got a fantastic trainer with me. This is Gethin from Black Flag Gym, and he's going to be putting me through my paces today, and he's wearing the microphone for very, very good reason, and it's because I probably won't be able to speak. But I really hope that you enjoy watching this. We're going to do something fun, and I'll leave Gethin to tell you what we're going to do and why we're going to do it this specific way.
Right, okay, hi everybody. What we're going to do, Catrin's come to me with basically a request for a kind of basic workout, something that everyone can do. She obviously said she hasn't worked out in a long time, if I'm right, and basically wants to get back into fitness, you know, use her body, use the body she's gained from losing weight, and basically put it all to use, really. So what I'm going to be doing is talking through Catrin through 5 different exercises, very basic, full body movements. Again, build that muscle, but also it'll be high intensity. It's a workout that's going to be based on 30 seconds on, 15 off, kind of a HIIT principle, so high intensity workout. So it'll be 5 rounds of 5 different exercises, and I'll go through them with you now. So okay.
Yeah, thank you very much. Like I said, he's going to wear the mic because I'm not going to be able to speak.
Right, okay, so the first exercise we're going to have, it'd be a simple step up. So basically alternate step ups, alternate legs as you're stepping up. So step up, that's right, and step back down, and then alternate step leg, that's right. Okay, so a very simple exercise, but when done 30 seconds on, can you feel that already?
Absolutely.
So nothing too difficult. So here what Catrin's using, obviously, her big quad muscles, calf muscles, and her glute muscles. So girls, if you're looking to build up your bums a bit, this is a great exercise here. So okay, you can last one on that. Yeah. So basically, this is just a demo, so we're not actually working yet. We'll do that in a bit. So the next exercise will be a burpee, but Catrin hasn't done these before. So what we're going to do, we'll break it down to something quite simple as lying down on the floor and then standing back up again. So again, lying back down and then standing back up. So in this movement, this is a full body workout. This is using the upper body, using the pectorals, the triceps and the arms, the core to keep yourself stable coming up and down, and then your legs when you get into the top. This movement can be improved, so Catrin hasn't done these before, but what this soon will be doing, it'll be with a jump at the end and a faster up and down, if that makes sense. Okay.
Do that.
So the next movement will be a kettlebell swing. Again, this can all be graded up and down. So obviously Catrin's first time she's using this. This is an 8 kilogram kettlebell. You can either go lighter, heavier, vice versa. So basically what she's going to be doing here is getting a strong base and swinging the kettlebell just through to eye level, using her, again, her glutes, her quad muscles, and basically a bit of a hip thrust. You only engaging the arms really when she gets to the top. That's it. Okay, great. And then the next movement, we'll be having Catrin, these doing ring pulls. What we have to stress here is these, again, they're quite simple. All it is leaning back and pulling yourself forwards on the rings. Again, this can be made easier or harder basically by where Catrin places her feet closer to the ring. So the closer the ring she goes to with her feet, the harder it's going to be. Okay, so again, this movement, using your biceps, using your back. Catrin said she wanted something to work on her arms, so this is a great one here. For the final movement, we're going to have basically just the press up. Catrin, we'll scale this down a bit. So these are known as girly press ups, but they're great for anyone who's beginning. Just basically on your knees, just pushing up and down on the floor. Many people know basic press up, and this is it. Again, this can be scaled in. The further you have your knees forward, the easier it will be. Or alternately, if you were to do it on the bench again, that'll take off another load of weight. So If you just press on there, that's it, it makes it easier again. So again, that works the tricep, so the backs of the muscle and the chest. And those are going to be the movements for the workout.
Fab.
Right.
Right, okay.